Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. Today's reading is about what the month March 2023 has in store for our Libra friends. So let us see, Librans, these are your cards. Let us take a look at what the cards are telling about your coming month. What a beautiful and bright card, the Queen. Now this archetype card is really interesting because it talks about being in a very positive and nourishing space on the one hand, and then providing that positivity and nourishment to others on the other hand. So this is the card which promises that you will be able to trust people, extend your warmth, be patient with others, be forgiving towards others. Your heart will be soft and sensitive. You will feel a kind of a divinity cradling your heart, and that divinity, even others around you will be able to feel. When they are around you, they will feel that divinity and they would want to be around you. You will feel people are getting naturally attracted to you and they want to spend time with you. This is a card where you are being a soft person, being a benevolent person. You are forgiving easily. This card, you will feel that in the month of March, people automatically feel uplifted when they are around you. Not only that, this is a card which gives you the courage and the resolve to do the toughest of things with ease. And when all of this is happening at the same time, you will see that you will also be receiving all of this positivity around you in turn. Because the Queen card, it creates an environment of positivity and an uplifting environment for you. Extremely positive card for you. The main card. Let us take a look at the other cards. Father of Swords. A very ethical time for you, a time when you will stand upright, stand by your belief system, stand for what you believe in, stand for what is right. Not only that, you will stand, even those around you, especially your superiors, bosses, father, anyone from whom you expect that if you are right, if you are truthful, then they should also support you. March is the month when you can expect such excellent support from them. This is also the month when you can expect that whosoever does whatsoever will come back. So if you are right, if you do things the right way, then the month will reward you. Anybody doing anything unethical or immoral will be chopped off. Figuratively, of course. The Hierophant card, another beautiful card. A time to enjoy your family, enjoy your friends. They will be the key to your happiness. A time when you will be able to guide people and you will also be able to experience, or if you seek guidance, you will receive it with ease. This is a time when, socially you will experience everyone's support. With the Father of Swords, the Hierophant, the Queen, everything coming together. Strong cards, all of them. So you will experience, oh my God, Mother of Pentacles. You are going to really experience a lot of support, and that too from a lot of influential people. March is going to be a very strong month for you, Libra friends, because I see so many strong cards here. With the Mother of Pentacles coming here, it is an excellent month to make your home comfortable, experience comfortable, as though the Queen wasn't enough for that. To add to that, the Mother of Pentacles, all kind of luxuries that you would want, you will get. Support from mother, being a good mother, support from your father, support from your family, support from the society, neighborhood. I mean, in terms of support, there's ample of it. In case you were planning to buy anything related to the house, to make it more comfortable, or to buy a house or a property itself, this is an excellent time. You'll get a very good deal, probably cheaper than what the market price. If you want to invest into getting your interiors done, buying a car, buying something for the house, this is the time when you will again get very good deals, cheaper than the market price, so you gain either way. You will be able to play a very good host this month. People will feel really comfortable around you. They would feel warm. They would want to be around you. Crave to be, in fact. 6 of Cups. What a beautiful card again. People and obviously fulfillment. Your heart will be happy and fulfilled and innocent, brimming with love. You will get the love and the care, all the love and the care that you're looking for from people. You will be able to share that. It'll be a give and take experience, two-way thing. Now our cards for what state of mind, state of emotions, internal state basically you will be in. So the first card for that you've drawn is the Turning In card, which tells me that first and foremost, it'll be nice when you just sit by yourself. Despite having all the support, there will be times when you will just sit by yourself and focus on yourself. There will be times when you will enjoy your own company, despite having so much company around you. This will also be a month where you will find it very easy to focus, to concentrate. Distractions will not be able to do any harm to you. Whether you need to focus on your job, on your studies, or anything else for that matter, you will be able to do that with ease. People will not keep you away from your duties. And the second card is a card of abundance, which is again a fantastic card because I see abundance around you and abundance inside you. You will have all the luxuries outside you, around you, in life, and then you will be able to enjoy the luxuries internally. You will be able to feel happy enjoying those comforts of life. So a blessed time, I must say. Absolutely strong, fantastic cards. Very strong month. Probably interacting with a lot of influential people. Feeling happy. Now your next card is about how you're going to be, work is going to be, and career is going to be for you. So you've drawn the 10 of Wands. This will be hectic. Work is going to keep you on your toes. It is going to keep you busy. It will keep you feeling like it is too much to handle, a lot of work. And then the card for your love life or your married life. Here you've drawn the Eight of Cups. So I see that you may not really take a lot of interest in your love life. Even if you're married, even if you're with a partner, you're going to probably concentrate more on yourself than on them. You're not really interested in your love life right now. There's too much happening, there are too many distractions. Not that the distractions can keep you away from yourself, but then the distractions can definitely keep you away from your loved ones, your spouse, your partner. And finally, one card to tell us something more about March and to tell us what is it that you need to ask yourself this month. And that is the card of the butterfly milkweed match. And the question you need to ask yourself is, where do I give and receive? Now this is a very interesting card because for you I see here the Queen card and the Mother of Pentacles and the Six of Cups telling me that you will be able to give very easily. You will be able to, there will be ample around you to receive. All that this card is doing is, it is asking you to stay balanced, maintain a balance. In giving, you will experience happiness. In receiving, you will experience happiness. You may also receive, allow others also to receive. You may also give, allow others also to give. Keep that balance going. Give some and receive some. Maintain that balance. So that is your reading, my lovely Libra friends. I hope you have a beautiful month ahead. Do take very good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.